Hi everyone, welcome to the video. We are going to solve party of couples. So in this question, you are given an array of length n, and you have to return the number whose occurrence is only one. Which occurs the number which occurs only once. Okay. But now what is in the question? It is said that the number in this array represents a person. Okay. And when that number appears twice, it means that there's a couple. Okay. Two people have two numbers occurring, a number occurring twice, which means there's a couple. Okay. It means they are a couple. And they can be one single number. So in example one and two occurs twice. However, three is occurring only once. Hence, three is a single. And you have to return the person which is single. Okay, and it is also guaranteed that there will be only one single person in the party. So only one number will be occurring once in this array. Example one, out of 1 2 3 2 1, 3 is occurring only once. And example two, you can see one is occurring twice, two is again occurring twice, three is also occurring twice, four is occurring once, five and six are occurring twice. So four is the number which is occurring only once. Hence one is the number. So rather than seeing what couple or single word is there, it simply means that we have to return the number which occurs only once in this array. So first of all, I'll create a dictionary, empty dictionary, and I will create count of each number, frequency of each number. Okay, frequency of occurrence of each number for I in D, and I will fill that in dash map. So if a number already occurs, if that number is already been visited, in that case we will increase its count. However, if that number is not occurred, then we will add it to our dictionary. There are two operational dictionary. If that number is already in dictionary, add its frequency by one, add its value by one. If it is not visited, then there's no need to do anything. Okay, now that we have our dictionary filled with each number and its occurrence, frequency of occurrence. So at the end, for I in D dot items, we'll traverse in the items of the dictionary and we will check if particular item, which is this I, is having a list or is having a pair. In zero index, you have the key of dictionary, particular number, and in index one of I, we'll have the value. The value. So index one. If the value is not an even number. When it will be even, when it is a pair. Okay, if it is a pair, then it will be even. But if it is not even, which means it occurred only once in the array, in that case, we'll return the zeroth value of this zeroth index of this I, which means the key. If the value is not even, if the value is odd, okay, if the value is occurring only once, return the key, and let us submit and check the efficacy of our solution. Okay, yeah, as you can see, it does the job pretty effortlessly in very less time. Okay, even though it is order of n. So I hope you learned a new concept and enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a very nice day.